Are you a financial advisor who would like to start your own business but don't have a clue about where to start in terms of marketing? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we will be addressing ways to find your target audience. A target audience is the intended recipient of your message and is the ultimate key to your marketing success. Here are 3 points to help you identify your audience. First, your target audience is largely determined by your business goals. Is your goal to help those who are dealing with financial bankruptcy? Then cater your message to those who want to live life debt free but don't know where to start. Or if your goal is to create business exit plans for small business owners, your target audience is small business owners. Next, know your win and the conversions needed to accomplish your win. There's a saying in marketing: if you try and appeal to everyone, you end up appealing to no one. Generalized, vague goals will not attract the clients you want. For instance, you may want to create retirement plans. Then focus on a specific group like career pilots or corporate CEOs. Lastly, once you have identified your target audience, focus on each individual within the group. Have a conversation. Ask specific questions. For example, what's their average age? Their marital status? What's important to them? What brings them fear or joy? Answers to your questions allow you to begin to know the people you are working with. Then this becomes more than business. It's a functioning partnership. To learn more about finding your target audience, check out our brand new Digital Marketing Manual for Financial Advisors. We cover everything from basics like brand identity to social media and budget. Find your copy of the manual on our website at calicollective.com/marketing manual. Reach out to us today if you still need help with pinpointing your target audience.